I'm Karen Marlowe. I'm a professor of pharmacy practice and associate dean for academic programs and the director of the Center for Opioid Outreach, Education, and Research. The objective of this year's Tiger Giving Day project is to provide education to middle schoolers in 4 areas of Alabama about substances of abuse and misuse. This is one of the leading healthcare problems in our state. We know that if we can educate middle schoolers in our state, we can help them become change agents in their own communities. The education will be provided by students from the Harrison College of Pharmacy, our faculty, and the Center for Opioid Research, Education, and Outreach. The money we raise from Tiger Giving Day will be used to create educational materials as well as an enduring group of educational materials that can be used by both teachers and pharmacists in their communities.
If I had the opportunity to participate in one of these workshops, I think I really would have grown a deeper interest in pharmacy and probably had my eye on it as a career option later down the road. Working with students in the past, I really got an opportunity to work with hands-on demonstrations and activities and just get to know them better and show them what I've learned in school. I would really enjoy the opportunity to give back to these middle schoolers and junior high students in the form of participating in these workshops.
With your help, we will be able to raise $15,000 on Tiger Giving Day, and the students of the Harrison College of Pharmacy will be able to provide this education. Thank you for your support, and War Eagle.